take care of you. I will. And if I got been now, I will do it now. So take care of me.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So I have a new wig from Julia Hair, and this unit is their Kinky Straight. So I'm just starting off with an unboxing, and let's go ahead and get into the hair. So this unit, it has the combs, as you guys can see, and then this here is the lace. So this unit came pre-plucked, which is awesome, and I didn't have to add any additional plucking to it. All I did was bleach the knots. So here I'm just mixing in my BW2 powder and my 40 volume developer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just bleach my knots, as you guys can see. So this hair, it shampooed very well. I didn't have any issues at all, and this is the hair after the bleach shampoo, and I let it air dry. So this hair was very nice. I really enjoyed it. No shedding, tangling. This hair didn't give me any trouble at all. Now with the fit of this unit, it actually fit my head very well. I was super surprised. That doesn't happen very often, so this was definitely a great fit and a great unit all around. So I did go ahead and use the combs for my install, and I was actually pretty excited for this one. Like I said, I didn't get any trouble out of this unit, so let's go ahead and just get into it. I want to reiterate that I did not do any additional plucking to this unit. So this unit is very beginner friendly. I just bleached my knots, and I would say with this one, you could get away too with not bleaching your knots if that's not something you're too good at. You can definitely just kind of tint the lace and install, and you should be okay. But yeah, no additional plucking for me. I just bleached my knots, and then I'm gonna do a basic install for you guys, glueless. I'm just gonna use my little spray.
Can I come kick with you?
This hair was the perfect texture for curls. It held them all day long. I didn't have any curls falling or drooping. So definitely go ahead and try out this unit if you like a Yaki straight texture. I will have all of the links in the description box below for you to go ahead and learn a little bit more about Julia hair, or go ahead and purchase this unit if you'd like. I do have a discount code as well. So, but if you guys came this far, thank you so much. I hope you're enjoying the video. Please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're getting anything out of my content. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.